Look at those lines pronounced on his or her back. Baby is 3 weeks, 2.5 days old. So 23.5 days. Tonight baby weighed, he probably weighs again right now, at 100.5 grams. This morning was 89.5 grams, I think. How can it be 12 more grams at the end of the day? Like, whoa. Yeah, I know some of that's going to have gone away in the morning, but I'll be curious to see. Oh, he's smelling the bites. What's in you, baby? Yeah, little baby. Yeah, little baby, look at you. Look at you, something else. Oh, he gave his daddy a kiss. Come on, give me a kiss. Thank you.